Alumni of 32 senior high schools in Ghana have taken the bold step to face the toughest culinary challenge of their lives. They will have to battle from sweat and tears and serve phenomenal dishes to earn a place in the final after several minutes of sweating, fighting, spicing and dicing. Glorious victory.
This actually works good on the tongue.
I think I just found the new chef for my kitchen.
Who cooked this? Cook it again.
And epic failures.
This is an abomination.
No, I cannot eat this no more.
Only one school will conquer all to emerge winner of Kitchen Wars. Kitchen Wars, your school fit cook.
Kitchen Wars premieres Saturday 16th July at 8 p.m. on TV3. Kitchen Wars is powered by Gino Tomato Mix, sponsored by Fernat, and supported by PGL. Homeland, happy kitchen, happy home.